Shekpeteri have other ways of making money.
Ó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ báyìí o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ dákun, ẹ farabalẹ̀ bí a ó ṣe máa play fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí fún yín. Ṣùgbọ́n kí a tó tẹ̀síwájú, ẹ̀yin èèyàn, oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ mà ló jáde nínú fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ farabalẹ̀ o kí ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé. Nítorí nínú fídíò tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí, Lizzy Anjorin sọ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ gan ni nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ farabalẹ̀ kí ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ nínú fídíò yìí.
By sleeping around. And because me, I cannot sleep around, I do my business on social media. So because you did not have brain, you will not understand my coming to social media. Me and Shekpeteri, we are not on the same page. That time that me, I will be on social media doing my advert. Shekpeteri will be under one politician or one olokada or one Davo driver bus driver. Sorry, my Okada brothers and Davo driver brothers. I'm not insulting you guys. So you guys will not know what it takes to make money. When you come to social media, you abuse people, you insult people that you did not know. And me, I am far smarter than you. When Shekpeteri, Awokawo, Papate Ekpon, Oroko Sufe, when she's busy moving from one hotel to another, when she's busy from one party to another, making herself available from one seat to another, as in Kwan Alejo, Epapa no Alejo, take away Alejo, me, I will be here doing my business. And I've been here for a very long time, strictly for my business. I've been here not to come and instigate fight, not to come and kidnap you and collect money, or to collect ransom. I am here to do my business. But some unintelligent animals will not understand. Shall you understand? It takes a very smart person to know that I am building my own empire. So far so good, I am doing well. You shall understand? I am not on rent like Shekpeteri that make herself available for politicians or for party chair. So far so good, I am doing wonderfully well. Shall you understand? Hey. But some unintelligent animals will not know. Some of you come to social media every day to come and troll people that did not offend you, to come and instigate fight. Every day, every morning, you carry your phone just to gossip. You don't know how to make money through your phone. Shall you understand? And in likes of Shekpeteri will come on live after feeding bending roller waist. She will come and lie to you that me, my husband is rich. I am dating billionaire. Billionaire my food. Billionaire wife that cannot shoot a movie. That is owing. You see me,